Let's cook crispy honey butter chicken, Korean honey butter, fried chicken recipe. Welcome to my channel, Rena's Kitchenary. "450 grams, chicken breast, cut into bite size. 1/2 teaspoon white pepper powder. Written recipe in the description box. 1/2 teaspoon salt. Light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon. 1 small beaten egg. Mix all ingredients. Corn flour 1 cup 100 grams. Mix to coat chicken. Set aside 10 minutes. Heat oil for deep frying. Coated chicken pieces, fry. Do not stir for 1 minute. Fry to 5 to 6 minutes in medium heat. Fry till golden. Remove to a plate. Honey, 4 teaspoon. Two teaspoon light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon sugar. Red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon. A pinch of salt. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Mix well to make sauce. Heat oil 1 teaspoon. 4 tablespoon, 30 grams butter. Four cloves, chopped garlic. On medium heat, fry 30 seconds. Add sauce mixed, prepared earlier. Fry 1 minute on medium heat. Corn slurry, 1 teaspoon corn flour plus 4 tablespoons water. Fry 30 seconds on medium heat. Add fried chicken. Add butter, 1 tablespoon. Fry 1 to 2 minutes in medium heat. One teaspoon sesame seeds. Fry 30 seconds on medium heat. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of green onion leaves. Bon appetit!